So greetings everyone. So today I'll be demonstrating my Quizmaster app. It's a full stack app made using Vue.js and Flask as backend. I've also implemented caching and batch jobs using Celery and Redis. So let me just sign up as a new user, and I've given some basic front-end validation also. So let me sign up. Okay, so let me just check for the sign up mail. Yes, so I've got the sign up mail, which takes me back again here, so I can log in. Okay, so this is my home page for the user. We have some quizzes which are available, and we have some categories, so we can filter them based on the categories as well, and of course we can search. Okay, so let us just attempt one quiz. So this is the quiz interface, and let me just, and also if I try to close or exit this window, I get this alert. Right, so let me just finish. Okay, I've received a report, and here's an AI analysis and the breakdown. Okay, so I can also save it. Let me go back, and I've got this response here. We can again visit this. Alright, so let me try to reattempt, and we get this alert again that we have attempted this quiz. Alright, so we have this summary page as well, and we have a profile page, and we have a leaderboard, and let me just attempt one more quiz. Right, so okay, so I have some data over here again, and I can also trigger these jobs. So I will get this report as CSV, and I can also mail the report. Okay, and the mail will be sent here. Okay, so I've got this mail. Alright, then we have this leaderboard, we have checked it out, and we have this personalized summary page, and we can also generate AI insights. Okay, so we have our AI insights, and as you can see, if I will reload and generate it again, this is now cached, and similarly the profile leaderboard is also cached, so it won't update for at least 2 minutes. Alright, so let us now test the admin features. Okay, so let me log in as an admin. This is the admin dashboard. Okay, so let us quickly try some CRUD features. Let me just delete this chapter. Okay, let me delete the subject. So let me try to edit it. Okay, so I've edited it. Let me delete it. So I will add a new subject. Okay, let me add a new chapter. Okay, so let me just add a new quiz to the bingo chapter. So the deadline would be at 40, and we'll release it a bit later. Okay, created the quiz, and we can see the users here. We can download the responses. Okay, so let me go back and let me refresh. So we, as you can see, the new quiz will release at 4:40. So let me bide the time, let me log out, and I will block this user. Okay, so let's try to log in. We see the user is blocked and our data has updated. Alright, so let's just wait for 4:40. Okay, so let me unlock the user. Okay, so I've unlocked the user. Now let me log in again. Alright, so we have our quiz here. We go, and let me just set the expiry once. It's at 4:43. Alright, so this is, I think, all for the features. This is still cached. Alright, thanks everyone.